Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, bedliner, alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, power sunroof, navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.